Welcome to another challenge lock that was in the package that I got from Leon's Lockpad. It's a Caesar 5-pinner that was pinned by Monkey Lockpicks, and he named it Snakebite. Pretty cool. It has a mummied key, and I have not yet attempted to pick a Monkey Lockpicks challenge lock on camera. Although I picked this one just before I turned on the camera, and was quite a fun pick, so I want to try to repeat that now. So it's locked up and I turn it. I picked it clockwise, now I pick it counterclockwise. Let's see if this makes any difference. Some locks are very pick very different depending on the direction. So let's see. One is loose. 2 gave me a click. 3 multiple clicks and counter rotation, or maybe counter rotation. So it hung and now it's set. Hopefully. It's hard to get over 4. Turn the plug manually back, but it won't set. This pick is a little bit too deep, so this hook is too deep. Maybe I change picks, but let's see. 5 is given feedback. There was a click from 5, but not much on the plug. So let's start over. 1. Not sure if 1 needs more. Maybe yes. Okay, I think it's still a bit springy, so it's not an overset. This pick is definitely too deep, but that's good counter rotation from 4, I would say. Okay, what else do we have? One is good. Oh no, 1 was a T-pin, looks like, and now it's open. Yeah. All right. Let's open it up and look what's inside. So looks like we have an enlarged plug chamber in 3 and in 5, and that looks also like counter milling, just like in 1, but in 1 there is no threading. The chambers 2 and 4 are unmodified. Great work here. A lot of work has been done to this plug here. Wonderful. Okay, maybe I pull out the drivers and then we look at the pins all together. Okay, as we have set screws here in the Bible, I believe we've got some modifications to inspect. Yeah, we can see that there's something done to the chamber number 3. Yeah, that's threading, smooth, and I think these are all smooth except number 3. Yeah. So we have threading in number 3 in the chamber of the Bible. And now we look at the pins. These are very cool pins. Yeah, here we go. Wow. So that's a spoolish keypin with a T-pin part. Then we've got a serrated and a spool in one at the same time. And this is an amazing pin. It's the keypin of number 2. Has a very odd shape. Basically a spool with a T-pin part. Then as a driver we have a T-pin serrated one. Then we have a serrated keypin in number 3 and a very nice multi-serrated driver. In number 4 it's an overset trap, a spooled keypin and a multi-serrated driver with a T-pin part. It's a thing between a serrated and a spool, I would say. And then here comes the very cool combination. It's a serrated keypin and a like a mushroom spool or mushroom driver, but it has a round end. Looks very cool. So you can stand it here. That's so funny. Yeah, very cool pins. Actually, I would have thought this is in like that, because this gives a nice nice spoolish effect, but it was in like that with a rounded part, so it's not too hard to set because of the round end, but it has also this spoolish effect, of course. Yeah, pretty cool pins. A lot of fun to pick this lock. Monkey Lockpicks, thank you very much for... Oh, I should unwrap the... Oh, that was easy. Unwrap the key, and we can see it has a pretty good bidding, hand-filed key with 2 very long key pins and a very short in the back. Of course, this matches to the key pins that we can see. Yeah, Monkey Lockpicks, thank you very much for pinning this lock. And Leon's Lockpad, thank you very much for sending it to me. Yeah, and everybody else, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking and bye-bye.